In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Square Developer Sandbox dashboard. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to developer.squareup.com, and then over here, you want to go to Account, top right, hover over it, and click on Developer Console. Now, whenever you do that, you basically will be taken to this link over here, and that is going to start loading for a few seconds. And what you want to do to actually access the Developer Sandbox dashboard, you want to go to Sandbox Test Accounts over here on the left, and then you want to click on Create New Sandbox Test Account. When you do that, you want to give it a name, so I'm just going to name this one Test Sandbox like this, and I'm going to select the country over here. I'm going to select USA, and I'm going to click on Create. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to create your account, and you simply want to click on Square Dashboard over here, and then it's going to take you to a dashboard, which is this one over here. So it's not app.squareup.com, but it's app.squareupsandbox.com, and as you can see, I'm currently in the test sandbox mode over here, and that's how we can do this. Okay, that's how we can access it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.